What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to a JDM only car meet and we're gonna be doing a little bit of car shopping. We might be considering getting a project car for the channel, so stay tuned and we'll catch you guys there. It's about 15 minutes drive, so we'll catch you guys when we get there. Hey yo, what's good guys? So we have arrived. I think I'll park the car there. Do you think we'll fit?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, let's just park it there.
Oh, god damn!
Why do those kind of look like kangaroos? Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, are those deers?
No,
Yeah.
that's an alpaca.
No, I'm talking about that. That looks like a deer.
I think that.
That looks like we got stuck in the mud again, right?
Oh, I know.
we didn't.
Those deers remove their homes and by time they'll go back.
I have no idea.
Bro, I learned about it.
So we've arrived.
Let's go, my boy. We finally arrived to see some crazy cars.
Yep.
Some Supra, GTR, anything.
Yep. Yo, it sounds really amazing. Listen to that. Listen to that.
Listen.
Yeah.
Listen to that, my boy.
First cars I see.
Oh, look at that.
This is super.
Damn. Look at that
We
car.
got really nice.
Yeah.
Where?
God damn.
We got a really nice scene
Yeah,
today.
they're actually
Let me show you a
really nice.
couple. We're here, so there's a couple nice cars here. You can see here we got a Civic, Mitsubishi Evo, a Subaru at the back. I'm not sure what that is, the pink one. Got another Subaru. Let's go. Another Subaru. And a Ford Focus ST Evo Gen 4. Looks really clean.
GTR Skyline.
Which one? No, that's a Subaru. I like this one. I like this one.
Yeah,
So-
this is Ferrari. And just a car.
This is clean, my bro. Look at that. Look at the blacked out, the red calipers. STI. That looks clean.
Yeah.
The Ford Focus ST, a Starlet GT. Whoa. Dang. Yeah. Dang. Golf GTI.
That's Ferrari.
Ferrari. Oh, got a Mazda MX-5 there. Toyota Corolla. I actually been considering to get that Corolla there. It's a nice JDM car for. Ooh. Got an Impala here. Toyota Corolla. I've been considering buying it. It's a really nice. It could be a really nice project car. They're quite cheap. And a pink Nissan Celica. I think that's the first
I think they're
entry.
both great.
Right now we're just gonna go from the start. We're gonna go from the first car meet. And we got an Audi S3. Yeah, last time we saw an Lamborghini. Got an Audi S3, Skoda Fabia. Got another Audi here, S5.
Those cars are nice.
Got an Audi TT. Always love myself a TT. Looks clean.
Road sticks. Put that down.
White. This is white TT. Instagram account. cars coming in again. RTT, S3, BMW M5 pump. Got M3. Got a Silvia just came out. S3. Focus RS. Oh, Focus ST. It's clean. It looks really clean like that. Turbo noises. Turbo noises. That's the way I like it. Got M3 carbon fiber grills, carbon fiber everywhere. And M4.
Yeah, that looks like the same as hers.
See it.
His. Oh, it
This
has
is
the
pure
GTR Skyline.
happiness.
It was the GTR.
No, it's a Silvia.
You're lying, bro. It's not a GTR Skyline.
Got BMW there. Another BMW. Gay BMW.
Oh, look at that Macrelian.
10. That one there as well. Yeah, BMW. I actually like this E46. I have been considering an E46 as well. But at the end, we might end up getting a German car. Got an Audi, BMW, Fiesta ST, an Audi R8, a McLaren at the end there, Porsche, Lotus, and a Ferrari. Ford, Impala. Ooh, got the GTI. I think I've seen this before. You took it in the car. GTI.
GTR.
So far, we're just looking at the random section of the car.
I just saw the GTR, the Supra.
Focus ST. And M3. I'll choose a BMW, bro. BMW all the way.
Me either.
M5.
That one looks
This is an M5, bro.
But I like. My,
Don't touch.
My favorite one is that.
It's all blacked out, matte black as well.
Spider-Man.
This is fire.
This should be my first time.
This is fire.
Yeah, that's Spider-Man.
Don't keep.
Look at that. Look at that. All blacked out. BMW. Got another BM there. BMW is so tempting, bro. Look at that one. Do you still remember this one? Got an M4. Got another M4. A Jaguar.
No, that's a Jaguar.
That's a Ford Mustang.
What?
That's a Jaguar.
Oh, my bad.
Ford Mustang.
But it has a Jaguar.
No, it has a horse. It's a BMW.
Yeah, yes, so dumb. I know how to then cost them. I know.
It's another BMW. And an M2. This is actually nice.
That's so dumb.
Now we have reached at the JDM side.
Look at that.
Let's look at the ST first. Nah. Got an Aston Martin revving up there. Nah, this looks clean. Are you good, man? Nah, that's no problem, man. I really love this car. I saw this movie once. A guy was driving this car. I think he was like a teenage, but he drove this car. He made me fall in love with it at first sight. I was like, yes, I need to get one of this.
Race, is it, by any chance?
Yes.
The white one?
Yeah. I love
One of
this.
my favourite films, that chap.
I love this car, man.
I love it too.
Yeah. It's expensive owning one though.
They are expensive, but about 20 grand here.
Smiles per gallon.
Yeah, it does go well, to be fair.
Yeah. I love the sound though.
I got a video of me going sideways the other day because we were in a car park. I just thought I'd test it and just planted it, turned it into a corner, mate, and the whole thing was sliding sideways.
Oh, that must have been amazing, man.
I've got videos of it, mate. I literally just screeching around. Like.
The sound system, though.
Yeah, well, like I say, I don't even. It's not even a good one, mate. Really. It looks alright, doesn't it? But
Yeah, it looks alright. It sounds, the bass sounds okay, but I don't think you hear enough of this music from the inside, will you?
Sorry?
I don't think you hear much of the music inside, but the bass is really good.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, inside it's quite bassy, to be fair.
Yeah, but this is nice actually.
It shakes the mirrors.
Yeah.
I just need to sort this out because every time I give it a good caning, you see this here?
Yeah.
It rips out the bloody sub.
Oh.
So I need to do something proper in there.
Okay.
Mate, to be honest with you, I haven't really had a chance.
But overall, the car is clean,
Yeah.
man. Our top 10. I'll put this first.
It's a clean one, I'll give it that.
And the all black actually looks really good on it. The clear tail lights.
Apart from when it flames, it burns the bumper.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
We don't like flames.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that's a prime. That's when
That's
it's
the only
literally
spot,
flames, mate.
yeah.
It literally burnt the bumper.
Oh hell.
But then that's showing you that it's got some decent power there.
But true. How much is it pushing on the brake horsepower?
I need to get that sorted actually. I just haven't done it yet.
Ah,
It
fair.
literally, the flames, mate, went up the back and caught the bumper.
That's what we like though. We like the flames coming out. For us on this side as well. Oh, we got a Civic Type R. This side, another Civic brand. And this one, it's a K20 swapped. Oh, stuck. Oh, we've got another one, carbon fiber fenders with a big turbo on it. GR Sports. GTR. Godzilla. Oh, forged carbon steering wheel.
Another GTR.
And another one. Nice.
Another
Front.
GTR. Would you like it?
GTR.
Two
Yes.
GTRs. The
Yes.
same car.
I would love every car if I have enough money.
They have the same
GTR. Another one. Oh, look at the wheels.
Yeah.
These wheels look nice though.
Okay, if you have every car, then where are you gonna put it?
In my house. Type R. I need to have a plot, man. X5, Honda. Oh, that's a Nissan 350Z.
Oh, I thought it was a Nissan GTR.
No, that's actually a GTR exactly. That's a Nissan Skyline. Yeah,
Nissan.
I think this is a Skyline. Oh, there's another GTR in the back.
Oh my.
Yeah,
Another.
that's it. That's a Nissan GTR.
Yeah, and another. And the Nissan. They got the Nissan.
MX-5.
Oh.
What's happening at that side?
Oh, another.
Look at that one.
Oh my.
Looks nice.
It looks fire, man.
Look at that. Turn it to stand. Install it.
Oh, look at that car. GTR.
To be fair, let's look at that. Let's look at that Toyota.
Yeah.
Let's look at this Toyota, man. Toyota. Should we get this as a project car? I mean, look at it. It's the only one here.
Yeah, this.
People barely use it, but it's a really nice car. Oh, there's a Type R Civic. Let's go see the ones down that side.
Yeah.
Honda.
Now it's
Another Civic. Open. Wow, there's a lot of Civics here. Another Civic. And another Civic.
Look at that other car.
GTR.
And another GTR Skyline.
Another GTR as well. Another GTR. And a Supra.
Ooh, what's the Supra?
There you go.
Oh, another GTR. And
What's
a
that?
Supra.
Oh my god!
Supra.
It's a Supra! Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that looks cool.
Damn!
Nissan GTR. Get it.
Oh, look at that one.
Another GTR, another set. Ooh. Interior. For sale. If anyone wants to buy it. More info, search listing on Facebook Marketplace. Yep. This car is it's for sale.
Papa, come.
This car is being sold.
Why do you
If
call
anyone
Chico
wants
Papa?
it, why not?
Don't.
Oh.
I've never understood
Oh no! Don't shoot it.
Let's go. To be fair, if I had the money, I would buy this. If I had the money, I would buy this.
How many cars do you want to buy? You take this to
Toyota GT.
Papa, I want to share the
Skyline.
coolest car.
It's got a big turbo on.
This purple car.
I think this sounds nice. Oh, that's a drift car.
What?
That's a
because I bought
Nissan Z. Looks nice. It's completely emptied inside.
This is my favorite car.
Drift Matsuri. Oh, they're marketing the tires. Look at the mouth. It looks like it's gonna eat you. Look at the big one.
Another Nissan GTR.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, that one. Master.
I know any car I saw.
Yeah, I know you know them.
Another GTR Skyline.
Ooh, a blue one as well. This is an S2000. This is a nice project car as well. He's like me, bro.
Yeah.
Ever since you were growing up.
I knew every car I saw.
Me either. I know any car just like you.
Nissan GTR,
Ooh.
a Silvia.
Nissan GTR. Another Nissan GTR. Another Nissan GTR.
That's a Mitsubishi Evo, and that's a Subaru STI.
And what's that one?
That one is a Nissan. It could be a GTR.
And another GTR.
Another GTR.
And another GTR. Skyline GTR.
No, that's not a Skyline.
This one.
That's a Honda.
What?
That's a Honda.
Honda?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's my favorite car.
This
The
is.
orange one.
It's.
The drifting car is my favorite. This car is my favorite.
This is nice.
And it can come fire up there.
No, it hasn't.
Yes, it can.
And I noticed something that's always pissed me off.
Wanna get this one?
Let's go into
Looks
the
thin.
next.
So far, you say 3 cars you want to get them.
Okay, let's go. Let's. Don't do that. Let's go to the cars that I would want to get. I would want to get an MX-5, a Civic,
I wanna get this
an
GTR
STI,
Skyline.
I should have put a cap.
an STI.
That's what I thought.
I would want to get an STI,
Another
a Civic,
GTR.
an R8, an AMG 45,
Ooh.
and a BMW. Some of these cars are coming out. 3 come. Currently leaving here. Oh, this sounds nice. Right, so that seems to be the end of today's meet because most of the cars are leaving. And I think I've pretty much taken a video of all of the cars so far, and pretty much we've seen a good amount of cars that we could like, some we won't, but yeah. And
We're hungry.
okay, let's go get some water.
Yeah,
Food.
and we're
We're
hungry.
gonna buy food
For you, we
afterwards.
did 2 rounds.
I actually came looking for you as well,
And then I had to pick
and
up
you left
Chuck
your phone.
in the car. And then I put him on my shoulder so I can see where you are.
Oh, that's so. I think this is the end of the car meet because most people are leaving now, and most cars are leaving.
I want some
Let's see.
ice cream.
I've shot some pretty much good clips for today. We've seen some good cars, and hopefully I'll be able to choose when I get which car I get later on, but fingers crossed, but I might end up just getting a BMW at the end. We'll just have to wait and see how it goes. Catch you guys later. I'm gonna shoot some more clips before everyone else leaves, and we might get some food later on. Right now it's 10 o'clock. So
I
yeah,
want ice cream.
if you stayed up to this point, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, like the videos, comment, share,
And hit the bell.
let me know in the comment section what you think I could do, or what videos you want to see, and we'll see what we
They
can
were
do.
actually. I want ice cream. That was my dream car.
What about the Ferrari?
And the Ferrari and that car was my dream cars.
Yeah, but it's like.
They were my dream car.
Oh, Ferrari.
I want ice cream.
I heard you the first time.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, we got a BMW right there.
Right.
I quite love myself a BMW. Got some custom badging right there. German stripes. B58. That's actually cool. And 140 blacked out. It's really clean. Some Porsche wheels. Let's see. Looks nice actually.
Look at that car.
Ooh, another STI.
Yeah, STI. Ooh, another STI.
Another STI.
Another
Look at this
STI.
Ford.
And another.
That's a Ford. On another STI. And another. And another STI.
And another STI.
So many STIs.
Yeah, so many STIs. Ooh, that one.
That looks nice.
Yeah.
How'd you get your power down here?
Huh?
Is it sure just wheel spins?
It does a little bit, but now I've just tried these new tyres on it.
I was gonna
It's
say,
model speed.
beaty, yeah?
Yeah, 'cause the accelerator.
much power is it pushing?
501.
What? You daily this? Ah, okay. Okay.
He's ramped quite high, didn't he? Stop. Is it?
Makes sense.
Hey, this thing is not.
Mate, it's built really nice.
Single turboed or single turboed? Yeah. All the cars are leaving now. Look at that. Single turboed. We can't see that because of the brightness, because of the reflection as well.
Well, mate, I've got pilots got fires on it. That's too small. Yeah, he's
I was like this. I was like, what is happening with that car, man?
BMWs. Oh. You gotta love them German.
Yeah, but I know King 20.
Can I get one more? I didn't get that on camera. No, that's fantastic.
That sound was fire.
It was fantastic.
It was fire.
Yeah. I hope the turbo starters were recorded as well, because all I could hear was the exhaust.
What's his favourite?
He loves the Supra.
Oh, Supras.
Supra and GTR.
Nice. He's got good taste, though.
Yeah,
He's got good taste.
true. He loves the
He's
GTR.
got good taste. Don't get me wrong. Oh,
No, he loves the Supra and the GTR. He likes the newer ones. So every game he has on his phone, he's got a GTR and a Supra.
And I
So it's like every time he revs it, he calls me. He's like, listen. It's like, guess what car I'm driving? Like Supra. Yeah, I got him into cars while he's
good man, mate.
he loves cars.
Oh man, it's sick.
I don't know what.
Mate, he's gonna love this. Mate, this
He's gonna
quick.
enjoy it. Yeah.
Nice car, man.
Have a good day, man. See you in a bit. That's a nice car, to be fair.
Yeah, I'd have anything around your engine.
Would you?
Yeah, maybe my passion.
So we're about to go in a single turboed Civic. It's got 500 brake. I'm gonna do a little ride along and see how it's like being in a real fast car compared to my 200 brake. So, car here. Look at that. That looks clean. Got the carbon fiber. Ooh.
Thing is that the
rear diffuser.
idle is so
Quiet.
Quite compared to these.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not quite. 'cause
Got
I
a
can
little
hear it.
carbon fiber essence here. The side skirts. Carbon fiber vents. Carbon fiber everywhere. Front lip. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Got some bucket seats. Sport bucket. 6 front manual. Wanna go in this car? Wow.
Oh, Anna, hear this sound, man.
Got the pops and bangs. That does sound nice. With the turbo as well.
That sound was fire. I love that.
The carbon fiber. Oh, so this is your intake. It comes from the top. Oh, this engine looks clean. To be fair, carbon fiber pistons and everywhere. How about it?
Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do to it really. I want to do
Single turbo kit right there.
exactly.
Yeah. That does sound fantastic, actually. That's fantastic.
Scare me.
That scared you. Wait until you ride along.
I've never paid any attention to you.
No.
Just have to get people to your Happy Tuesday.
Yeah, man.
All EP3 owners.
Everyone's basically leaving now. As you can see.
Everyone is going home.
Did you like the cars?
Yeah.
Say hello to the people.
Hello.
Tell them we're about to go in this car. We're about to ride in this car. 500 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
We're gonna love it.
But are we allowed?
Yes. He's our friend.
Huh?
He's our friend.
He's my friend.
He's my friend.
He's your friend.
Yes. Yeah, so we're about to ride along now. All of the guy. He's got like a 500 brake in there. And let's hear what this car is got. These seats are really comfy, to be fair.
This car, that's
Sounds amazing from inside.
make a sound.
These seats are really comfy, man.
Yeah,
Make
man.
a sound.
Oh, look at me, look at that. Oh,
Make a sound.
that's 2000.
That's 2000, yeah, that's
Wait,
really...
oh, maybe didn't see that. Oh, maybe we have to come back for that.
It sounds louder in here than outside.
Yeah. It's
Hope you don't mind me filming inside.
we may be famous on YouTube channel.
Yeah.
How many subs have you got?
300 now.
300.
It is.
Why is that Fiat 500 so loud?
I have no idea. And it just pushes 260 brake.
Really?
Yeah, from stock.
What's this?
Fit.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
It's
It's a decent lady's car though.
Yeah, you can.
Seatbelt on?
You got your seat on, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do
He knows the drill.
I was going to say, I'll be careful. Alright.
Yeah, that's what I think it was parked right there as well. Garoga Zimbiro when sit
Great turbo cylinder.
Yeah.
It's combined.
Is it? Left?
Yeah.
What, then come back around? After you.
We're good, right? That sounds fantastic.
Oh my god!
Listen to the turbo, man.
What we do is we come around the bottom and then come back up.
I love how you can hear the turbo from the intake there.
Yeah, and
Yeah. It sounds amazing, man.
Turn around there.
should we turn around there?
Yeah, turn around there.
Oh, you love it?
Yeah, it's good.
It is fucking
That
good.
makes me to get one car like this.
Now you wanna get one?
Yeah. Yo. God
It's a
damn.
wheel spin every time.
It does, yeah.
This car looks
But I'm
fire.
gonna put some semi slicks in it probably because
B blocks.
I need to have a look around the market, see what's on.
I love that.
Yeah.
Hopefully you won't open it. I do.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It is.
Is that undercover?
You love that?
Yeah. Yo.
I think we found a winner. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice, yeah.
That sound is beautiful, man.
It is.
Now I've finally got that problem solved with that solenoid and shit. Thank God that's sorted exactly. There's no lack of power now. There's a lack of power still. There's really.
Oh, this is fun.
This car looks nice.
How do you survive owning a car like this, man?
Mate, that's like it's so temptation. The temptation to go the rocket.
I get tempted in my 200 brake. What about this?
What have you got?
I got a Mercedes C220. Yeah, it's got a hybrid turbo in. You can only hear the turbo flutters, but it does have a little bit of turbo lag, but it's nice.
Just farewell for
Yeah.
stop.
We can take it for a spin if you want.
Wait,
We put it here.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's real drive.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Honestly, confused.
Yeah, actually. Pops and bangs. Gets it every time. Man, I love this car to be fair. I love how they made this digital dash from a long time and maintained it. It's like an old car but still up to date.
That's the problem they did with the old ones. They ruined. Sorry, the new ones. They ruined the Civic Type
R, yeah.
by making them look so. Well, not just the way they look. The way they
Now they look like a.
I mean, they look like an alien spaceship.
Yeah,
Like,
true.
That's what I love about them. They do look nice.
That's good time.
Ferrari when you can own a Honda?
Mate, that's what I said. That's what I said.
I would never
would
buy
never-
a Ferrari, man.
I would never go back. Mate, I don't think I would go back to a German car, you know. I really don't. Probably eat my words in the future.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that red super is beautiful.
It's nice, yeah.
This car was
Oh, this is nice. This was nice. This was nice. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, guys. Yes, yes, sir. Love it. Thanks, bros. Got a Ferrari coming in. I think that's a Spider. Oh, that was a good day. We are now headed back home, but we're gonna get some food and we go home.
I want McDonald's. I want fries
Okay, okay,
from McDonald's.
okay, okay, okay. Yep, that was a good day. All is well and well. Might film some last clips in, and that will be probably the end of today's video. So if you like the video, please subscribe, share and comment.
And hit the bell.
I hope next time we'll see you in the next videos.
And comment below.
Catch you guys later.